Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saida Aisha. Organometallic compounds is the unit which comes under the inorganic chemistry part of the BSc syllabus. In this video, I would like to discuss the preparation, structure, bonding and properties of polynuclear carbonyls of the 3D metals. Before going on into the details of the preparation, structure, bonding and the properties of polynuclear carbonyls, let us first define what does the polynuclear carbonyl means. The polynuclear carbonyls are the carbonyls which contain two or more atoms, metal atoms per molecule. The first polynuclear carbonyl which is taken for discussion in this session is dimanganese decacarbonyl Mn2CO10. Dimanganese decacarbonyl is prepared by passing carbon monoxide, that is CO, over manganese iodide in the presence of a reducing agent like magnesium in ether at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade and 210 atmospheric pressure. Let us see the details of the structure and bonding involved in dimanganese decacarbonyl. Dimanganese decacarbonyl has a dimeric formula of Mn2CO10 times. IR spectral studies and the X-ray studies shows that the Mn atom is directly linked to the another Mn atom by a sigma bond, and we can see that each manganese atom, that is each Mn atom, is attached to 5 CO molecules by coordinate bond. When we consider the hybridization, we can see that dimanganese decacarbonyl undergoes D2sp3 hybridization and therefore it has an octahedral shape. The molecule dimanganese decacarbonyl is diamagnetic in nature as there are no unpaired electrons present in it. Also, it is observed that the two manganese atoms, that is Mn-Mn, have a bond length of 2.79 angstrom. Let us discuss some of the properties of dimanganese decacarbonyl. When coming on to the properties, we can say that dimanganese decacarbonyl is a golden yellow crystalline substance which is soluble in organic solvents, but it is insoluble in water. The chemical properties which we have considered are the reactions with halogen. We can observe that dimanganese decacarbonyl reacts with halogens to form carbonyl halides. The second reaction what we have taken into consideration is the reaction of dimanganese decacarbonyl with sodium metal. We can see that the sodium metal in liquid ammonia converts the manganese carbonyl to carbonylate ion. The next polynuclear carbonyl in this session is dicobalt octacarbonyl CO2CO8 times. Dicobalt octacarbonyl is prepared by the direct combination of carbon monoxide with the cobalt metal at a temperature of 200 degrees centigrade and a pressure of 100 atmosphere. When we come on to the structure and bonding of dicobalt octacarbonyl, we can see that the molecular formula of dicobalt octacarbonyl is CO2 and CO, that is carbon monoxide, 8 times. IR studies shows that this compound exists in two isomeric forms. One of the isomeric form is having a bridge structure while the other is having a non-bridge structure. We can observe that dicobalt octacarbonyl undergoes D2sp3 hybridization and therefore has an octahedral shape. The molecule is diamagnetic in nature because there are no unpaired electrons present in dicobalt octacarbonyl. The two isomeric forms, that is the bridge structure and the non-bridge structure, have little differences in their energies and therefore exist in equilibrium with each other. It can be found that at very low temperature, the bridge structure predominates, and as the temperature increases, the non-bridge structure appears. Let us consider some of the properties of the polynuclear carbonyl, which is dicobalt octacarbonyl. Dicobalt octacarbonyl is a brownish orange crystalline solid which is soluble in the organic solvents. When we consider the chemical properties, we can see that the first property is the action of heat. That is, the reaction of dicobalt octacarbonyl when it is heated. At a temperature of 50 degrees centigrade and in the presence of an inert atmosphere, we can see that dicobalt octacarbonyl decomposes to give tetracobalt dodecacarbonyl. The second reaction, what has been discussed in this slide, is the action of the sodium metal in liquid ammonia. When dicobalt octacarbonyl reacts with sodium metal in liquid ammonia, we can say that it gets reduced to carbonylate ion. These are some of the references which have been used to prepare this session on the preparation, structure, bonding, and the properties of the polynuclear carbonyls like dimanganese, decacarbonyl, and dicobalt octacarbonyl. I thank you all for hearing this session on the organometallic compounds. Thank you.